job. I'm just waiting in line.
I feel that. I feel that. I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, good. Yates.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
So how long you thinking?
So I would say like an hour because I gotta go up here get the key and set up and get everything.
Okay, well fine. We just got to run out for an errand or two. So.
Motherfucker has to wait. I told you.
I don't even think it might not be dirt. I feel like it's, well, it is, but you see how like, yeah.
You just get it off already?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can probably get it off for you for sure. But I feel like it's the way of the suede. So if you push it this way, it looks like black. And if you push it that way, it kind of. But I can still clean it for you. Yeah, I got you. Yep. Yeah, I got you. Appreciate it.
And then how long do you usually do? It's a couple hours.
Yeah. So just gotta. I'm gonna do all three at the same time. So probably be out of here. I'll say like 2 hours. Appreciate it. Yes, sir.
But he got a whole car lot out there. Had this shit already planned out, nigga. Damn.
You might well just pay me that.
Cutter came, took your chick.
I got too many AI sites out here.
They look piece of business to work. that shit clean as hell. Why that be clean as hell?
Why that nigga only 100?
Sheesh.
Figure out
100 a time.
Yes, sir.
Very much so. You'll be back in another.
Yeah, I'll be back in another month.
Okay. Good. Well, it'll be ready for you in another month.
All right.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. You able to get out?
I think I can.
Okay.
I'll roll my windows down and yell something.
What is that? That's the pajama. Video, damn.
Checking on 100,000.
Oh shit.
Oh, right here. So some of this white stuff may go away, but I don't know if you can see, like, it's right here.
Yep.
Where the paint is chipped. I can't do anything about that. 'Cause
Okay.
that's embedded. But majority of this white stuff, it'll definitely go away.
Okay, and I have one more spot up there.
Up here.
It's 10 years old, it's only ever in person.
Yeah. So majority of this white stuff will go away, but like,
That's all I want to
yeah,
know.
the scratches that's embedded in the paint, then I can't do anything about that.
That's okay.
Okay.
And once those scratches are gone, you don't ever tell anybody about it.
I got you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Yeah, so we got there. I gave you a ceramic coat. It's gonna be 1,500. I ain't asked for all that. Marty said.
Charge their ass for that shit.
He's funny as hell. Nah, but for real though, you can really just spray his shit with like some water and run. That shit got be good. What? That? Oh, the boy.
Paradise. people understanding exactly what you want.
Real deal.
It ain't gonna come back either.
Crazy.
Water.
I think this is not my most efficient day.
I did. So we just start. Well, we did start. We started on your interior.
No, I mean, what's that mean?
Oh, I started like 8:30 in the morning.
That's all you need right now. You don't need no camera like what I got. Thought about standing over there at the garage, trying to direct some traffic over here. Probably gonna go to the crib, hop on the K, with the JJ.
Trying to hop on the Battlefield 6. Them niggas playing. They talking about I got my account. Gotta send it to my old email.
I don't count though. If you on that bit, you ain't never. We gotta add each other on that. But ain't you gotta play this?
Oh, there you go.
Damn.
I need something more aggressive.
Man, we got the plan, man.
I'm gonna come back and polish it, shine it back up.